welcome again. This is Hal with another section, another part on the topic of the free quick SEO tips and tricks to help optimize your website in 2021 and beyond. Okay, so today's focus category is local SEO. So we'll be talking about, I'll be providing 9 tips and tricks on how to optimize your local website. Tip number 1, create content focused on local facts and guides. If you are a local business, this can help your business appear higher in search rankings. So localize your content. Tip number 2, take advantage of trip planning. So if you use this feature in Knowledge Graph to create local travel guides, this will help you. Tip number 3, make use of local inventory ads program. Okay? It will allow your customers to browse the local store through Google. For those of you who are advertising on Google. Okay. Tip number 4, try and find new and creative ways to encourage your customers to give reviews. Reviews are very important. As human beings, we tend to be influenced by what others like us say about something. So reviews have proven to be a very powerful and useful marketing tool. Tip number 5, optimize for user location. So, you can do this by using the Google Ads distance and store visit reports, okay? Tip number 6, optimize for multiple locations. It's also very important. Make sure that the NAP name, address, and phone number details are consistent for every location across all platforms. If you have a problem checking all that, contact us and we can help you resolve that problem. Tip number 7, add regional pages. If your business locations cover multiple states or provinces, or depending on where you're located, countries, then regional pages are a must because they help focus the search in that region. Tip number 8, put up photos on your local pages. Photos of the local office give the business more credibility and make it more appealing to the local audience. They can relate to it. They've seen it. It's very important, okay? Tip number 9, add quote-unquote near me in your content. You know how you search Panera Bread near me or hotel near me? Add near me in your content. So with this strategy, with the steady growth of voice search queries, optimizing for these searches has become all the more important. Okay? I'm going to continue with this next topic, with the final topic, in order to close this chapter. In the meantime, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell so you won't miss new activities on our channel. Please leave your comment, your questions, inquiries, or simply add more knowledge at the bottom of this video in the comment section. Join the conversation. Our goal is to help businesses, to help entrepreneurs, and we invite all those with the, who desire to help to contribute to the conversation. Now, please remember to share this video with others who may benefit from it. Okay? Until next time, thank you very much.